Hello guys and gals! Welcome back to another utang vlog. So for today's video guys, ang pag-uusapan natin ay isang legit, I repeat guys, legit na instant loan product. Na kung kayo'y pasado, ay 5 minutes lang matatanggap nyo na dun sa inyong Union Bank na bank account. Ang pag-uusapan natin dito ay walang iba kundi yung quick loans na ino-offer ni Union Bank. So kung gusto nyo malaman na paano mag-avail, then please keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Red, and meron na naman akong i-share sa inyo na utang product na pwede nyong applyan gamit na yung cellphone nyo guys. But you have to watch till the end because meron kayong mga dapat malaman guys para maset naman yung right expectation nyo. So huwag muna kayong magmadaling mag-apply san guys. You need to watch the whole video. Usapan natin ay yung quick loans na ino-offer ni Union Bank, which is a bank, therefore it's legit guys because banks are regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So this video is not sponsored. With quick loans guys, pag approve ka, 5 minutes lang makukuha mo yung pera, but dun siya mapupunta sa Union Bank account nyo guys. Therefore, isa sa mga requirement para kayo magkaroon ng quick loan or makapag-apply ng quick loan, dapat meron kayong account with Union Bank. And with this loan product guys, you can get as much as 250,000 pesos. But of course, subject siya sa bank approval or bank assessment. Is yung mga loan products ni Union Bank ay makikita mo dun sa kanilang website. So make sure na tama yung URL na nilalagay nyo. I'll share it here. Yan. So, pagpunta nyo ng Union Bank sa website, just scroll down till makita nyo yung box na sabi ay loans. Pag-click nyo yan, ay mapupunta kayo doon sa page kung saan makikita nyo yung auto loan, home loan, tsaka quick loan. Yung quick loan, yun yung i-click nyo. Sabi sa website, it is sort of a personal loan na pwede nyo gamitin for whatever projects that you have in mind. Anything na kailangan yung extra cash kasi you can get up to 250,000 pesos through yung quick loans na ino-offer ni Union Bank. It's the fastest. Simple lang guys. You can do it sa website nila mismo. How to apply? Syempre, you just need to fill out a form and then isasubmit mo yung form. Simple, right? There are 3 things that you can expect with this quick loan product. Well, first of all, paano mo siya i-applyan? The first one is you apply on your own. Punta ka ng website, click mo yung cash loan, and after that, kailangan mo mag-login or mag-authenticate ng iyong Union Bank account. And then, you will have to fill out a long electronic form kung saan ibibigay mo yung personal information mo, yung address, yung work information mo, income documents, and all that. Kung nag-apply ka on your own, usually, panay mong makikita yung mga error messages na nagdi-display dun sa website just like this one. Yung second naman is meron kang pre-approval, and then yung third is meron kang invite code. Now, if you have a pre-approval and meron kang invite code, mas madali yung pag-apply at mas malaki yung chance na ikay ma-approve. And then, wala kang mai-encounter na mga error message or technical issues doon sa website nila. Kung gusto niyo naman malaman kung paano mag-apply, kung walang invite code, or kung meron kayong pre-approval, then you can go to the video here or look for the link in the description box because magpo-focus tayo sa paano mag-apply sa quick loan if meron kang invite code. Bigla ako because nakatanggap lang ako ng text kay Union Bank na inaanyayahan daw akong mag-loan. Now, ito yung napansin ko ha, kapag meron kang invite code, parang sila na yung magbibigay sa'yo ng amount, kung the amount that you're qualified for. Kasi kapag pre-approval o kaya yung mag-a-apply ka lang dun sa website, meron kang choice kung ano yung a-applyan mo. Pwede kang pumili from 1,000 to 250. Ito naman, kasi meron kang invite code, sila na yung naglagay ng amount na, sabi dito, pwede na daw akong mag-loan ng up to 2,900. So, hanggang dun lang guys. But anyway, I wanted to check it out kasi dati na akong na-decline nung ako'y nag-apply on my own. Then sabi ko, tingnan ko kaya kung automatic approval to kasi meron akong invite code. Pumunta ako ng website, when you scroll down, hahanapin mo yung box na may sabing, I have an invite code. And then, ilalagay mo, magkakaroon siya ng box kung saan ilalagay mo yung invite code doon at i-click mo lang yung orange na arrow na yan. Pagkatapos ay lalabas yung dalawang boxes kung saan kailangan mong ilagay yung 12-digit Union Bank account number mo, guys. That is why na para makapag-quick loan ka, guys, dapat mayroong hang account sa Union Bank. Otherwise, wala kang mailalagay dito at hindi ka makakapag-proceed. Ilalagay mo rin yung email address mo. Tsaka, so pagkatapos mo ilagay yung phone number, guys, just click send OTP. Then, mapupunta ka doon sa page kung saan mayroon nang naka-indicate na amount na 2,900 yung ino-offer ni bank sa'yo. Meron na siyang nakalagay na term. Unfortunately, hindi ko siya pwedeng piliin, hindi ko siya pwedeng i-change. May nakalagay doon na 12 months term, yun lang. Hindi ko siya pwedeng ibahin. And then sa baba, ibibigay mo yung purpose, nasa inyo yan. Marami kang pagpipilian. It's up to you kung ano yung pipiliin mo dyan, actually. And then yung next is, you just need to answer the 2 questions. One is, have you taken any loans within the last 12 months? And of course, yes, kasi kahit na magsinungaling ka, malalaman pa rin yan ng bank. Next question is, do you have any outstanding or unpaid loans? Sinabi kong no, I don't know if that matters. So, depende daw siya sa behavior mo. Kasi parang, depende na yan sa behavior mo as a client of Union Bank. Doon magdidepend yung assessment ng banko, yung amortization schedule nyo, and we strongly advise to pay on time to avoid charges on the amortization schedule generated below. So, ayan, sa baba, guys, after answering those 2 questions, you will see yung parang summary siya na kung ititake mo yung 2,900, then yung, kasi sabi niya sa akin, 12 months yung offer niya, ewan ko kung bakit 12 months, na pwede naman itong bayaran in 2 months or 2 gives. Then, pero 12 months niya ako, guys. Kaya yun, yung monthly amortization ko is 291 and 34 centavos. And then, yung monthly interest rate niya is 3%. It's pretty high, guys. But if you are familiar with online loan apps, huwag ka na magreklamo. 3% is already good enough. Okay na siya, guys. I've seen worse. So, this is already good. And then, sa baba, doc stamp fee, processing fee, yung ganon. And this one, guys, yung quick loan, meron siyang processing fee. Yung ikakaltas niya, bali doon sa loan mo, 300 pesos. So, kung wala ka pang experience sa mga online loan apps, natural lang yan na magsasabi ka, ay, ba't may kaltas? Ba't may processing fee? Ang laki ng processing fee. But believe me, guys, yung 300 na processing fee na to, okay na okay to, guys. I've seen worse. So, yung 300 pesos na processing fee nito is okay na. Hindi na ako magre-reklamo. So, next is, meron siyang table. Like, papakita niya that for every payment, ito yung amount na ito mapupunta sa interest at ito mapupunta sa principal. Now, in the end, with a 12-month term, ang babayaran, I end up paying 3,465 sa loan na 2009, na kung saan yung net ko is 2006. And again, guys, 12 months term, 2,900, 300 pesos na processing fee. This is okay na to, guys, na offer. But of course, syempre, you also have to check kung kaya ba yan ng budget mo. Syempre, huwag pindot ng pindot kung alam mo, hindi mo naman mamimit yung commitment na yan. Kasi pag nag-uutang kasi, guys, di ba, commitment siya. And if you're decided, just click confirm. Now, pagkatapos mo i-click yung confirm, guys, hindi pa yan nagtatapos. Kasi meron pa siyang disclosure statement on loan credit transaction. It's actually, it's one page that gives you all the information that's pertinent dun sa loan mo. Syempre, so you just need to check na lahat ng information na yan is accurate. And then, sa baba, when you scroll down, meron siyang authority to deduct na kailangan mong i-agreehan. I'm so sorry. Now, allow Union Bank to conveniently deduct your monthly loan payments from your Union Bank account on the regular schedule indicated below. So, magsa-start siya at this particular date and mag-auto-debit siya every this na date. So, make sure na dahil pumirma ka ng authority to debit, then to deduct, then make sure na yung Union Bank account mo is funded. Now, GCash, kung paano bayaran, authority to deduct na nga, auto-debit siya. So, kaagad siya ikakaltas ng bangko. So, make sure na merong laman yung Union Bank account mo on or before the due date para walang problema. And it's very convenient, guys. Kaysa sa pumunta ka na 7-Eleven, mag-GCash ka. Of course, there are other payment methods pero mas mabuting auto-debit because it's convenient. Pagkatapos nun, guys, mag-scroll down ka lang and merong 4 boxes dyan na kailangan mong i-check, which means you're agreeing to the terms and conditions, naiintindihan mo kung ano yung pinapasok mo, lagyan mo lang yung dapat, guys, alam nyo yung ginagawa nyo, na-review nyo yung lahat ng terms and conditions bago nyo yung ilagyan ng check. Kasi guys, this is a contract. This is a commitment. Pag nag-loan kayo, kailangan nyo yung i-meet. And so, pag nalagyan mo yan ng check, continue to scroll down, and then click continue. Kung meron kang information na na-skip at kailangan ni bangko, then magre-red po yung form. So, just go back to the form, ibabalik niya ka dun sa form, and then sasabihin niya sa'yo kung ano pa yung kailangan mong i-provide. Just fill out the information na kailangan ni bangko, and then kapag na-fill out mo na yan, then go ahead, click continue, at pag okay na yung information na binigay mo, then lalabas yung another box, terms and conditions ulit. So, mag-scroll down ka kasi dapat binabasa kasi to eh. Kung naiintindihan mo yun guys, that's the time you click agree. You will go to the next page kung saan magda-dot-dot na yun. Evaluate pa yan ni bangko kung dapat kang pautangin o hindi. And then the next page, sasabihin we're still processing your application. Please wait 24 hours because it can take up to 24 hours. But, if everything goes well, kung lahat ng information ay walang problema, kaya nga, hindi pwede magsinungaling sa bangko, guys. Then, 5 minutes lang, tanggap mo na yung pera. Ipapadala nyo yun sa UnionBank account mo. So, kailangan meron kang UnionBank account. Here are the things na kailangan mong intindihin about quick loans because as beautiful as it may seem, probably is not for everybody. Because first and foremost, kailangan meron kang UnionBank account. Now, I've noticed na yung mga taong pinapadalahan ng invitation code or yung mga pre-approval ay yung people na merong laman yung UnionBank account. Bangko kasi siya eh, minomonitor niya yung behavior mo as a depositor or as a client. Yung first loan ko with UnionBank, nung nakatanggap ako ng pre-approval, was 9,000 pesos. Because at that time, yung laman ng bangko ko was 10,000. And it's been a while, nabawasan ko siya at hindi ako nakapag-save. Yung laman ng bangko ko right now is 3,000 pesos. Kaya yung offer ni UnionBank sa akin is 2,009. Kung gusto nyo, one of these days is mapadalhan kayo ni bangko ng pre-approval or ng invitation code, guys, just make sure na may laman po yung account nyo with UnionBank. Kaya yung sinasabi ko na if you just apply for this on your own, medyo mahirap siyang makapasa, guys, because medyo strict din si bangko. So, nag-try din ako dati na akala ko madali lang mag-reloan pagkatapos kung nabayaran yung 9,000 ko. But, unfortunately, decline ako, guys. And ang dami-daming kailangan mong i-fill out. So, parang iba siya kaysa sa may pre-approval. Kasi with pre-approval, hindi nga siya hihingi ng income documents, kaagad-agad approve na. Pero kung wala kang pre-approval, wala kang invite code, kailangan magbigay ka ng proof of income, which is either your payslip, yung business documents mo, yung mga ganon, yung BIR, yung mga ganon. But kung pre-approved, which means sa bangko na yung nag-offer sa'yo because based yun sa na-notice niya doon sa account. At kapag good payer ka, guys, it's very rewarding because as a bank, nagre-report siya sa CIC. At kapag good payer ka, guys, then pogi points to sa iyong credit score. Which in the future, kapag maganda yung credit score mo, is take advantage ka ng mga better loan products, which is, syempre naman, mas mabuti kaysa sa mga paola-ola na 7 days, ano? Hope mas better yung expectations nyo about quick loan through this video. If meron man akong nakalimutan, just put it in the comment section below and I'll try to address it on my next video. Again, guys, kung gusto nyo makita kung paano mag-apply sa quick loan, kung ikaw'y nakatanggap ng pre-approval, kasi ito kasi may invite code eh. So, kung pre-approval naman, paano? So, just go to the link to this video here, or again, the link is in the description box below. Bye!